Hey yo, welcome back to the channel. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe. This is probably one of the sickest songs I've heard in a long time, yo. It's coming from Chronicler and M1llionz from the UK. So let's jump into it. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Come in.
You okay? Yo, M1llionz. Yeah, I'm British Badness, man.
Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe. Big up Droptop, youth.
Hardcore like London Bridge. Clip tall like London Bridge. Bristol say a Batman thing. Birmingham the Glock start sing. With them know about filing down fire pin. Glock.
Come again.
Yo, Droptop.
Yo!
You okay?
Chronicler is one of
Yo,
my favorite
M1llionz.
artists right at this moment. From them on the company scene, never disappoint me.
Yeah, I'm British
Never.
Badness, man. Hardcore like London Bridge. Clip tall like London Bridge.
Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe.
Bristol say a Batman thing. Birmingham the Glock start sing. With them know about filing down fire pin. Glock 22 and not the size of frame. But she kill people then we smile and grin. M1llionz dig shallow grave of things. Droptop dig shallow grave, yo.
I one night that I got big shootout in a million, you know. Big shootout, I got over 500 and hard gunshot fire.
Yo, for me, how the dog enter the song, yo. The man enter the song just calm. Like the man I say, yo, this is a cakewalk, easy bread.
Look at charge it, I got my Glock 40 and cheap extra. Them on the police, them police.
Cooling with some killers on the riverbank. It's done from when I put down my signature. True mommy said, boy, you know if you take no talk from the liquor man. Hold up take gun in a pretty bag. Remember when we did it?
Yo, from the UK accent to the Jamaican accent, sick.
Now there's more Brownings and Trinidad. M saw mine and said the switch is mad. One press, flip the catch. Now he wants the same strap that Millie has. Bats in his bag like a cricketer. I hear some kids talking on my name and I don't know the clowns. I'm still about machine on my belly like an ultrasound. I was buying too many shoes, I had to slow it down.
Yo, I'm not gonna lie to you, yo. I feel like you have UK musicians who can spit a lot better than American rappers.
Hardcore like London Bridge.
No offense.
Clip tall like London Bridge. Bristol say a Batman thing. Birmingham the Glock start sing. With them know about filing down fire pin. Glock 22 and not the size of frame. But she kill people then we smile and grin. M1llionz dig shallow grave of things. Droptop dig shallow grave, yo.
Yo, listen to Chronicler verse.
Hardcore like London, I'm a kick Van Damme. Rifle boy have pan, pump rifle we cut him out like long pants. Bad man, ends we a crush and never ganja. Glock with the light, me call it Green Lantern. Realize 16 belly bigger than no Santa. Broad daylight, couple man drop his scene, get views like TikTok ranker.
British Badness.
Yo, man say seeing get views like TikTok rankers.
British Badness. Guns them hot bread a big old man thing. Ever seen a stainless ripper man skinny try run? Look black it dark, triple pan thing. The black and forth, that's a liquor man thing. I'm tryna put money up to get rid of man thing. No. Hey,
Come back.
We have pan, pump rifle we
Come
cut
back
him out
again.
like long pants. Bad man, ends we a crush and never ganja. Glock with the light, me call it Green Lantern. Realize 16 belly big.
Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe. Yo, M1llionz verse, that shit sick.
No Santa. Broad daylight, couple man drop his scene, get views like TikTok ranker.
British Badness. British Badness. Guns them hot bread a big old man thing. Ever seen a stainless ripper man skinny try run? Look black it dark, triple pan thing. The black and forth, that's a liquor man thing. I'm tryna put money up to get rid of man thing. Ain't with a ha and kicky man thing. Gee, that's a silly man.
Hardcore like London Bridge.
Tell me that was not 10 out of 10. If you said that was not 10 out of 10, something is wrong with you.
Clip tall like London Bridge. Bristol say a Batman thing. Birmingham the Glock start sing. With them know about filing down fire pin. Glock 22 and not the size of frame. Yeah, we kill people then we smile and grin. M1llionz dig shallow grave often. Droptop dig shallow grave often. No feel.
Yo, this is the part of the song I'm really and truly rate.
Was 0 degrees and no COVID and me kill
Come
people
again.
then we smile and grin.
Listen.
M1llionz dig shallow grave often. Droptop dig shallow grave often. No feel. Below 0 degrees and no COVID and make it cake off and sneeze. Heart freeze my chili when you walk past me. Don't have some pussy clad clip a past me. Droptop. Yeah, we cold and snow. So we roll gun pine road and bowl. We not take talk, we take people's soul. I'm more dopey than when me clip hole. London Bridge, clip tall like London Bridge. The style say a bad man thing. Birmingham, the clock start sing. Glock 22, I know the size of brain. Millions, Droptop.
Yo, Droptop, big up yourself, youth. I feel like anything Droptop, put him name on, it's always sick. You see me? Alright, watch your boss. No! Honest review. Honest review. I give the song a 10 out of 10. Right off the bat. If you not ask why, everything was precise. Everything was well put together. Flow, lyrics, the content of the video, the content of the song, how it is delivered, how it is presented to us, the viewers. You see me? Now when I review a song, bro, I like to look on similes, verb, adjective, all everything me look on. Resume, or your rhyme, or your bounce off from words to words, especially when you end a bar, how you come back from the ending of the bar to the beginning of the next bar. It's very critical when time I think about things, dog, and when I go into things. So when time I see me there sometime I not really pause it and talk, it's because I listen keenly, you see me? But I tell you something. Chronicler is one of my favorite artists. Favorite artists. I think the man work ethic is just beyond, like, phenomenal. It's just beyond phenomenal, bro. You see me? Him give me the major cartel used to give it back in the days when the man does a right song. You see me? And I think Chronicler is in the right direction. You see me? Nobody gonna mix up. You see me? Man does doing music and does keep himself stable mentally and physically. You see me? Now, Chronicler verse them on this and how him control the song, I want me did actually respect, because majority of time, and I said this earlier in the video, say I feel like a lot of UK artists can really flow and rap better than a lot of American artists. You see me? And people might say, no, you're sick. Like, no, that can't write. And the reason is, like I said earlier, I listen to everything, yo. And if you listen to majority of the rappers, them where rap from America, them talk a bunch of crap. Stuff that don't even make sense. You understand? So, if I see the Chronicler control the song, I kind of respect that, because me they really expect the UK scene for control it. Me really did expect Millions for control it. You see me? And big up Millions. Millions are bad artists too. You see me? So yeah. So like, comment, share, subscribe. 10 out of 10 on every freaking aspect of what the song was representing. You see me? So like, comment, share, subscribe. Let me know what you think.